Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Nikki's Cookbook. Today's recipe is a quick and easy chicken paratha recipe. Now for this we need 2 cups of whole wheat atta, whole wheat flour. Into this goes a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix it and then add water in parts to make a soft dough. Once the dough is ready, cover it and keep it aside for some time, and in the meantime we will prepare the filling for the chicken paratha. Now in a pan, take around 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Now into this goes boneless chicken, 200 grams, or you can take the breast piece of one chicken. It has been chopped into cubes, and then just saute it for some time in the oil. Into this goes 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and salt is required. Now saute this in the oil with all the spices. Now you just have to saute it till the chicken is done. Into this goes half of a lemon juice. You can see that the chicken is cooked, and you can just mash it or you can shred it with your fingers once you take it off the pan. Now into this I've added 1 finely chopped onion, a handful of coriander and 1 green chili. Now just saute it very lightly. You don't have to cook the onions because the chicken is already cooked. Now in the meantime our dough has softened a little. Now just dust the work area and roll the dough onto it, and just follow the steps that I'm showing you in the video. Roll the dough flat and big. Now pour some oil onto it, maybe 2 tablespoons of oil. Sorry, this is ghee that I'm using here, not oil. And then just press it with your fingers so that the ghee gets absorbed into the dough. Now you roll it and then you make small balls out of it. Now take one of the balls and roll them into a size of a small chapati, and then add the filling on that. And top it up with another rolled chapati. Prick it with a fork. Dust the work area again, and then again roll it so that both the sides of the parathas get stuck together. Now once this is done, you need to put it on a hot griddle and then just roast it with some ghee till both the sides are completely done. Now this chicken paratha is very easy and it is very flavorful, and it just gets prepared in no time at all. So it's the best thing for a dinner, for tea time snack, even for iftar or suhoor. You can just make it and keep it, and then just roast it on the pan when you are ready to eat it. You should just see that both the sides are completely done and there is no side that has been kept raw. See, this wonderful paratha is ready. See, the filling is very much there. You can just have it with any kind of chutneys or ketchup or with a cup of tea, and see, your paratha is ready. I hope you like this recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for notifications, and until next time, goodbye.